Hey guys, we're live at 1:14. Sorry there, had to refresh my clock. And we're battling for Scott's AT-AT. I got 25 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. I'm going to copy them here, paste them, right now. 1 through 25, going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 6, so we're good to go. Good luck, guys. I'm going to get right into the sweet action on a Sunday afternoon. Drew, round 1. Eric 2. Eric 3. Beetlejuice 4. Scott, round 5. And our winner is Matthew Sorrentino, winner number 22. Congratulations, Matt. Here's the verification code and official results. ZJBLBE. Matthew Sorrentino is the victor. And I am done at 1:15. There you have it. 1:15. Again, here's the official results. Sorrentino in at number 22. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.